Is everyone ready for our Paris adventure?
Yes! Let's make wonderful memories.
I can't wait to see the Eiffel Tower. I'm bringing Teddy with me.
Let's go!
The airport is waiting. Everyone, buckle up.
Bye, home. See you soon.
The check-in counter is over there. Stay close, everyone.
This airport is huge.
Look at the airplanes.
Welcome aboard. Let's find our seats.
This is so exciting.
We're flying. It's so tall. Wow, it's much bigger than I imagined.
This is the famous Eiffel Tower.
It's absolutely beautiful.
It's touching the sky.
Everyone smile!
Stand close together. Cheese!
Yay!